Hi. Since the country went into lockdown on Monday evening, we've had lots of inquiries about whether child arrangements can continue as normal. The government advice is that children may move between their homes or separated parents. That said, we're aware of circumstances where that just isn't appropriate. For example, a member of one of the households may be self-isolating, or they may have underlying health conditions that mean they are high risk. Parents really need to think about their travel arrangements as well. Is it appropriate to be taking the children on public transport at the moment? Or do you have a particularly long journey moving between areas in order to see your children? If face-to-face contact isn't possible for you at the moment, putting the safety of everybody first. It is important to use technology so that you can maintain that relationship with your child and play a part in their everyday life. A lot of parents are already using video calls, but think about ways that can be extended. Young children in particular can find it hard to talk for any long length of time. Think about reading a bedtime story to your child over the video call, or perhaps you can set them tasks to do, such as creating an artwork that they can then share with you. A lot of parents are taking part in Joe Wick's PE sessions, which are being streamed over YouTube. There's no reason you can't take part in this in separate houses. Leave your video call running so that you can enjoy it together. Netflix have introduced a new feature called Netflix Party. This allows two or more individuals to watch the same programme together in separate locations. The programme doesn't start until everybody is logged in, and there's a messaging feature so that you can chat about the programme throughout. We know that a lot of older children and teenagers are really into their online gaming, and whilst it might not be your thing in normal circumstances, think about whether you can get involved in this in any way with them. It will help you keep that day-to-day contact whilst doing something that your child really enjoys. And finally, a lot of people have been asking us about how they can keep in touch with extended family members. There are a lot of grandparents and other family members out there who are finding it really difficult at the moment. There are facilities and apps such as Zoom and House Party that allow more than two people to be on a video call at the same time. You could have the child, the parents, and the grandparent on the call, and you can all catch up together. It is a difficult time for everybody at the moment. For separated parents, it's vital that you keep those lines of communication open so that you can find creative ways for the child to maintain a relationship with both parents.